Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Wen. Here is the question. This is a piecewise and composite function. We have two pieces. The second function is a composite function. The cutting point is 1000. If n is bigger than or equal to 1000, we use the first formula. If n is less than 1000, we use the second formula. We want to find the function value of f at point 84. 84 is a number less than 1000. If we use this second formula, we don't know what is the value of the inside part. We cannot use the first one. In order to use both formulas, we consider to derive the function value right under 1000. That means we find f of 999. N equals 999 is a number less than 1000. If we add one more, we can use the first formula. So here, if we plug in the second formula, n plus 5, which is a number bigger than 1000, we can use the first one. So this is the starting value we need to evaluate. We use the second formula. N plus 5 is 999 plus 5, which is 1004. 1004 is bigger than 1000. F of 1004, we can use this formula, n minus 3, which is 1004 minus 3, which is f of 1001. Use the first formula again. It is n minus 3. 1001 minus 3 equals 998. Next function value, f of 998. We are repeating the same procedure as we did in this equation. The inside part is n plus 5, which is 1003. 1003 is bigger than 1000. We use the first formula. Equals n minus 3. 1003 minus 3, which is f of 1000. Come back to use the first formula again. It is 1000 minus 3 equals 997. Now we have the two results. Can you see anything? F of 999 equals f of 1001. What's the difference between the two numbers? This number has two more than this number. We use the first formula equals 998. This number and this number, what is the relationship between the two numbers? The second number has 2 units more than this one. Same pattern as first one. We use the first formula. We have the answer, 997. Now let's derive the third function number, f of 997. The inside part equals f of 997 plus 5 equals 1002. 1002 is bigger than 1000. The inside part, we can use the first formula, equals 1000 and 2 minus 3, which is 999. We don't have to use the first formula again because we already have this result here, which is 998. What's the next number? F of 996. We use the second formula. The inside part is n plus 5, which is 1001. Use the first formula, n minus 3, which is 998. We have the result here. F of 998 equals 997. We have these 4 results here. What is the pattern? Difference between the 2 numbers here and here is 2. Here and here is 2. Now we can see F of 999, F of 996 equals F of 998. F of 997 equals F of 999. What does this mean? This means this function value equals this function value. This function value equals this function value. The cycle of this function is 2. Every 2 come back, right? Come back. So here it's easy to guess what is the next function value. F of 995 equals F of 995 plus 2, which is F of 997. So that next one equals F of 997 equals 998. So the answer, the pattern is 998, 997, 998, 997. We summarize the result into this formula. If the inside part number is an odd number, the final answer is 998. Odd number, the number less than 1,000, the answer is 998. If the number is even, the answer is 997. What is the question? Question is F of 84. 84 is even. We should use the second result, 997. This is the answer. That's all. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.